Neuralink is a startup formed by Elon Musk in 2016 with the intention of integrating the human brain with cutting-edge computer technology in order to boost human potential. Imagine regaining clear vision after years of battling visual impairments or being able to hear the noises of the world without hearing aids. Their advancements, such as the development of flexible electrodes that may be implanted with minimum risk, have made it possible to treat a variety of diseases, such as eye and ear disorders and even renal disease. However, there are still barriers to overcome, including ethical considerations, long-term consequences, and significant research and development expenses. Despite these obstacles, Neuralink is motivated to advance and plans to begin human trials of their brain-machine interfaces in the near future. This technology has the ability to alter our way of life and offers unlimited possibilities. Are you eager to join the brain-computer revolution and reap the benefits of a symbiotic relationship between humans and technology?